Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with me, Mer. So today I'm going to be doing a quick video on my skincare routine at nighttime. Hence why I have these double ears behind, because I can't find my headband, so I'm just going to use that. So I'm going to let you guys know everything that I use, all the products, where I get them from, how I use them, and if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Also, if you guys have any opinions on anything that I'm using and you guys don't think it's a good thing to use on my face, let me know also with that too, because I'm always looking for the right product to use on my face, because I will spend millions of dollars on my face products. Hence I use drugstore makeup, but it doesn't matter. So the first thing we're going to do is wash our face. Okay, so the first thing that I use is SKII. It's a facial treatment cleansing oil. This is my favorite thing that I've ever bought. It's expensive, but it works amazing. I'm pretty sure you can find something else cheaper to use than this, because I think it's like 80 bucks. I got this off of Bloomingdale's. I had a gift card, so I bought it, so why not? Easy, just one squirt on dry. Make sure your hands are dry, make sure your face is dry, and then you're just gonna rub it in. All I wear is concealer, and you can already see that it's coming off. So make sure you rub that where your makeup is, and then you're just gonna wet it. Okay. So now that I wetted it, that's not even a word. What I use now to wash my face is CeraVe. This is a renewing essay cleanser for normal skin. I was using Tony Moly's Sweet Peach Cleanser, which was my favorite, and it smells so good. But I'm running out of it, so I thought I would try something new. So I got the CeraVe one, and this works amazing. I love the way it feels, and it's really good on my sensitive skin because I get pimples from anything, honestly. So I wet my face again. Like I said, all you need is one cup and then floss, of course. And just cleanse your face, girly. And I'll get my forehead later, but I just have eyelashes on right now and don't want it to get all over the place. So we're just gonna rinse that off, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the next step. Okay, so I just dried my face off, so now I don't have any makeup on or anything. Next thing I'm gonna do, and I use this only once a month, it's gonna be my Glam Glow face mask. This is one of my favorite face masks, and it's exfoliator also. I'm almost out of it also too. Shit. It leaves my skin like baby soft. I leave it on for about 20 minutes. I also got this one from Bloomingdale's because I had a gift card. So why not? Because this is also expensive to buy. Okay. So I only put it down here. I don't ever touch up here. So I only put my face mask down here. So that's gonna be the first thing that you do. Is your face mask with an exfoliator. This is the brightening treatment one. It's like in the orange bottle. So the next thing I use, and I don't use this often, I use this maybe once a week. It's gonna be from BLISS. It's the I Got This Deep Puff and Brightness eye patches. So it's just gonna be the hard part. Okay. So the next thing I use, and I don't use this often, I use this maybe once a week. It's gonna be from BLISS. It's the I Got This Deep Puff and Brightness eye patches. So it's just gonna be hard part. So there's just gonna be 2 eye patches, and you're just gonna set that on the bottom of your eye. Okay, so I leave the eyes patches for about 10 minutes and the face mask for about 15-20 minutes, not any longer, not any shorter. And then I wash that off, and then I cleanse my face after. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is cleanse our face with some liquids. So the first thing that I'm gonna use, and I get a lot of bad reviews on this, but I actually like it. It's KYLIE Skin. It's her milk toner. It's one of my favorite things to use. It's like my 3rd bottle already that I got from hers. Don't knock it till you try it. I'm gonna take my cotton wipes and my milk toner. We're just gonna clean her face and her neck. One thing I really like about the KYLIE milk toner is it literally will take off any of the dirt you still have left on your face. Like if you look back on your cotton swab and you didn't wash your face good enough, it will be on there, trust me. And it also takes off makeup really good. Next is going to be another MOLY product. This is going to be a ceramide toner. It's really good also too for taking off any dirt off your skin. So it's my 2nd thing that I use on my face. Just clean your face off with a cotton swab or whatever you have that you use to clean your face off with. But this is what I use, and they're really cheap also too. You can get them at Target or Walmart, wherever you buy stuff like this. Okay, last but not least, for my liquid is going to be witch hazel. Next thing is going to be witch hazel from Target. It's the THAYERS brand. You can buy any witch hazel that you want. You can buy the Dickinson one. I just don't like the way that one smells. It's too harsh for me. And I like this one better. And this is the last liquidy cleanser that I use to cleanse my face with. It'll always be the last one that I use. I don't ever use it first. Alright, so since we got those out of the way, next is going to be a brightening serum. So what I've been using is this Mary J CBD Glow Serum that I got from Ulta. So I'm going to be using this Mary Jane CBD Glow Serum. It says 100 milligrams of CBD, vitamin A, cannabis sativa, caffeine, and then glycolic acid boost. It's vegan, clean, and high performing, which is very true. I've only been using this for about 2 weeks, but I've seen such a difference in my face and the glow that I have in it. So we're just gonna dab a couple drops on our face. One thing I say is the stopper thing or whatever it's called sucks really bad. They need to change them. And we're just gonna rub that into our face. And then I wait for that to dry before I add my second step. For that to dry before I add my face cream. So another thing that I was using for vitamin C serum is the Bright Side Up from I Do Care. It was really good too. Just ran out of it, so I don't have any more in here. Another one that I was using was from KYLIE Skin. It was one of my favorite ones that I've used. I didn't like the smell though. It was a weird smell to it, but it was really good. It worked really good for my skin. So if you guys want to try it out now, I would try that. I'm just thinking to myself how ridiculous I look with these little devil ears on my head, but I literally cannot find my headbands anywhere. Okay, so last step is my face cream. I've been using this face cream for about like 2 months now. I got it from Ulta. It's 22 bucks. It's called Hyaluronic Acid Intensum Cream. And when I tell you this is like pure gold, this is pure gold. Like, you have to go buy this and try it out. It leaves my skin glowing. And also, you don't need a lot. Like, you literally need less than like a dime size. This is literally what I use, and it covers my whole skin. Okay, so literally that is everything that I use in my nighttime routine. I'm pretty sure I told you where I got everything from. This from Macy's I got in a travel package for Christmas. So I don't know if they sell it like that anymore, but you can check it out from Macy's. And I think everything else, this also I got from Ulta. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video with me. I hope you guys keep subscribing, keep liking my videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying them also. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Let me know what you guys think about everything that I've been using. If you guys have any opinions or anything like that, and especially opinions about dark circles, because I have really bad ones and I hate them. So I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. Bye.